Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. As we are heading into the weekend, I don't think we are going to see too much more price action today. Yeah, I think we're going to be stuck probably unless something happens in the next few hours, but it seems like we're going to be stuck in this range here for the weekend. We'll see what happens when ETH hits the trend line. As we're heading into the weekend, obviously on Sunday, again, our member live stream for anybody who wants to join. Check out the membership links in the video description. On Sunday, we talk about this time about breakout trading and pullback trading from an Elliott Wave point of view. Might be interesting for one or two people out there. Okay, so, well, see, the situation overall hasn't changed. I mean, it's moving in this, downtrend actually, which started here in our resistance area on Monday, the 18th. That was so far the top here in this wave 2 correction. And in the short term bearish wave count, we would expect at least one more low here. And this one more low here would then form a 5-wave move, this entire structure. And we could then say that this would be the first wave of this third wave. Then we should get a wave 2, then a wave 3 down, then a wave 4 up, then a wave 5 down. This is sort of the bearish scenario. It doesn't really follow through to the downside. You see how many buyers there still are. The sellers aren't really pushing it down. September is nearly over. I mean, yeah, surely it can go up, of course, but it depends on certain levels and conditions. I mean, for me, it's quite clear. So as long as the price stays here below our micro pivot point at 1614, 1615, I would expect one more low in a wave 5. If the price breaks above that level, then we will likely test 1664 again. This would be the basically the next key decision point up there. We had resistance here on the 19th of September, on the 18th, and here before as well on the 6th of September. Above that level, we've got the key level at $1,700. So really for me, there are actually two main levels. There's the 1614 level. That's just the microstructure. A move above that wouldn't necessarily unlock much more bullish potential, but it would just shift the microstructure. It means that we only came down in 3 waves, which would make another extension to the upside more likely again. So it could be that this wave 2, for example, this pullback actually into resistance is going to extend out a little bit. For example, as an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. Yeah, this is possible as long as we don't break above $1,700, which is the second key level there. This is the level we've been talking about for the last couple of weeks, really, because we said that as long as the price doesn't break above that key pivot point, the overall yellow wave count and the assumption that the price should sell off further, possibly all the way down into the 1200 to 1300 region. Yeah, as long as we don't break above that level, this assumption is very much valid and is going to stay the primary scenario. There might always be distortions, that there are always distortions on the smaller wave count structures, but they don't really impact the overall scenario. But it's getting very, very boring. I mean, as you can see here, the price is in this or has been in this range now. Yeah, again, for like 4 weeks, 5 weeks, broke into this range here on the 17th of August, and ETH has really just been moving sideways. Nothing very impressive going on here, basically just sideways action. It could be that this is forming an overall triangle. This is also possible, just a little bit unusual, okay? It would be a B-wave triangle. This B-wave could actually unfold as a triangle. I will not rule that out because it could be that this A-wave indeed bottomed on the 17th of August. This B-wave is still in the making. Okay, and then basically what we had here was an A wave to the upside in the triangle, an overshooting B wave to the downside in the triangle, which is possible in a running triangle, which makes a new price extreme into the trend direction, which is down. Then this could now be a C wave, which is unfolding, for example, A, B, C in wave C. So A, B, C, then a D wave, and an E wave. I mean, that would take many more weeks to play out, right? and it would eventually break down. It would just simply cause a delay in the sell-off. So ideally, I like to see the continuation to the downside more swiftly. But as I said to you, we only have 3 waves down, so it's only a corrective decline. And as I said, a break above 1614 will just tell me that something different might be going on. So I will always consider different options. The triangle is one of them. But unless, until I have evidence for that, this is just speculation. Yeah, that's my update about ETH. I don't think there is much more to highlight here. It's been a quiet Friday. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.